We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button, tell me you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with BTBT, Bit Digital Inc. And this stock has been moving pretty fast in the last several days and in the last 2 weeks. We're going to break down some data here on why this is one of the top possible stocks to squeeze, as well as has momentum driving behind it. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned last week on the Patreon and Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. And we're going to jump right into it here into BTBT. Check out the description link down below if you want to become part of the community and the stocks I watch daily and weekly. Let's jump into it. I know I usually talk about the home run of the day, but I want to share with you guys one of the home runs of the week, guys. We have trading opportunities for all types of traders, all types of styles, whether you swing trade, day trade, or long-term invest. There's an opportunity for everyone. And if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So here we are with SLGG. Mentioned it on September 26th last week as it was going into weakness, right? It was sitting at 324, and I was watching also that support there of 291. If we go ahead and look here at the chart, it continued going lower last week, and it hit a low here of about $3, and it hit a low this week so far of 290. And there's that support of 291 that I was looking for, and it shot up quickly for a 10 to 20% jump, pulled back down and hit a high recently in the last 2 days of 360, giving a 25% plus opportunity, almost reaching 30% in just a matter of a few days, guys. So if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. And when you transition this based off of 42 vision, just to give you guys some insight, that right there is the beginning of a reversal. And if it could do a complete shift into a green candlestick, there could be some more strength coming based off the 1 day. And you could see it there when it was going into weakness last week. It finally leveled off, and it's been reversing since then, guys. And these are the opportunities we look for and strive for daily and every single week. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with BTBT, Bit Digital Inc. And this stock has a correlation, right, to what goes on in the cryptocurrency markets, as well as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of that sort, right? So it's a minor company, and it has that indirect correlation to what goes on in the cryptocurrency space. So this could be very volatile, but as a stock itself, it is set up to be one of the top possible squeeze scores right now, and possible stocks to short squeeze because of how fast this has moved, and it could trap shorts in it. We're going to go over all the data and why, but this stock has moved pretty fast, has nearly doubled from the lows here back on October 1st and September 30th, all the way up towards 1242. It's cooled off a little bit right here, and on 30-minute, it is fighting to stay up. And if this continues to transition back into red, this could go into weakness. But when you look at it on the 1 day based off 42 vision, things have shifted pretty quickly, and it looks like it's turning around, and turning around with strength. The next part of the transition would be here as we see it, which is dark green into green with full strength. And on the 1 day, it is trying to push up. You can see here how it went upwards, came back down, and now it's trying to form that staircase effect. So it's definitely something to be aware of, something to watch. BTBT on the 1 day showing strength, and on the 30-minute, obviously we're going to see a little bit of more volatility, that pullback, and it's trying to reverse again. So BTBT is definitely one to have on the watch list. Watch carefully, no rush, and it's great time to know this information. It's a great time. Why? Because on the short squeeze score, it is 95.69, ranking number 1. Short interest is 18%. It's not as high as others that we've seen out there, because usually 20% would be high, but the fact that it's 18%, It's pretty close, and that is pretty high. Anything between 15% to 20% is definitely something to be aware of and pay close attention to, because it's not that far from 20% to overextend and create a short squeeze opportunity. Now, the days to cover is a little bit low, and that is one thing I do not like, but still something to be watching that can create some pressure on the shorts. Now, this is how we know if covering has begun or how heavy the shorts are in this, right? Because in the last 10 minutes update and throughout today, all this afternoon, the short shares availability is 0 for BTBT as of today. So that is something to be paying close attention to. And also the short volume. It's pretty high from yesterday to today, and the shorts are piling on in. This has been above 50%, and that is something to actually pay close attention to. And when I say pay close attention to, I mean it. This is a stock to be watching, no rush, trying to see if this could continue going with momentum or if it's going to go into some weakness. But when the short squeeze does happen, if shorts have not already covered a bit, if they're still holding and their shorts getting trapped at these levels from way down here, this could be pretty explosive or have a few spikes to the upside because of this data. So what is it that we're going to be watching here with BTBT, Bit Digital Inc., moving forward? The first thing is the support. If this gets broken through 1036, I would watch how it reacts between 1036 and down here at 914 to see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are going to tear this down fairly fast and quickly down to newer lows and new support levels. Now, to the upside, the highest point of the day today was 1148. That definitely needs to be broken through, but the true goal here is getting back up here before the complete fall and consolidation, and that is 1194. And I would even round that up to $12 for the bulls to actually turn that into a support and retest that high here of 1242 and break out from it to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and then go for 1450s and continue the staircase effect, continuing upwards. And the higher this goes and the higher the days to cover becomes with this short interest, the shorts will eventually get trapped and forced to cover. And if they do, the higher the days to cover, the more shorts that turn from bears and shorts into bulls and actually providing a rally that they can't have the flexibility to reshort right away. If not, they get trapped now being bulls and have to ride this up through the momentum. If not, they will continue to lose more and more money because shorts win when it goes down, not when it goes up. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.